For over 25 years, Bryden Cordage has been providing net wrap baling solutions to our valued customers, and we look forward to sharing our experiences with you in the hopes that we can help prevent common issues using our net wrap. Today we will be troubleshooting issues related to net splits or tearing. With proper baling techniques, our net wrap will perform as expected, even in harsh baling conditions. According to Mike DeWeese, net wrap quality manager at Bryden Cordage, splitting of net wrap may seem like a quality issue with the net, but quite often is the result of lack of baler maintenance, too few wraps, harsh baling conditions, and aggressive bale handling.
It may not be obvious, but many baler maintenance issues can cause a net to split. This would include things like a worn, rusted, or damaged net pan, burrs, cuts or weld splatter on net contact rollers or spreader bar. We also find that a bale's size and weight, the crop coarseness, and the manner and frequency in which the bale is handled greatly influences the likelihood of splitting. It is very important that bales be wrapped with the appropriate number of wraps according to the crop being baled. This will ensure the net holds up to the weight and coarseness of the crop. It is also very critical that chemicals, such as weed killers, are not used in the vicinity of the net wrap. This includes potential chemical drift or overspray from neighboring fields, as these chemicals can destroy the UV inhibitor properties of the net. Worn, frayed belt edges, poor belt splices, and poor belt surfaces can all contribute to net tearing. Worn, dull, or out of adjustment cutting knives can create long strands of net, which can become wrapped on rollers or cause a net stitch to come apart. Here you will also notice a rusted, jagged edge on the net pan, as well as a buildup of crop fragments. Debris, such as coarse and stemmy crops, rocks and dirt, can get stuck in the duckbill or on a net contact rollers, which often causes the net to snag and tear. To gain perspective on how a split occurs with netting, it helps to understand the knitting process of net wrap. Many producers of net wrap, including Bryden Cordage, manufacture through a process of warp and weft knitting called Rochelle stitching, where the long, heavier stitch threads, called warp, are connected by the zigzag lighter threads called weft. The warp threads run the length of the net and provide the overall strength of the net. The weft threads simply hold the warp in place. It can be fairly easy to pull a weft thread out from the warp or to actually unstitch a warp thread, creating an unraveling effect known as a net split. The benefit of using this knitting process, however, is in its flexibility and overall strength of the net. Knowing this should help the operator understand the importance of having a baler in good repair and proper adjustment. Refer back to your equipment manual for proper usage and specific requirements for your baling situation. Always follow equipment safety precautions and use a non-slip net wrap carry handles for safer and easier loading. For best net performance, handle net rolls with care and store in a dry environment with rolls on their side, not standing on end.
If you need additional technical support, please contact our customer support staff by visiting our website at brydencordage.com. There you can also find more information about our company and our complete line of baling products. Thank you for watching. Bryden Cordage wishes you better baling with Bryden.